Well, hello and welcome back, and thank you for coming back. Well, you've guessed it, we're in Uptown Paphos today. We've got a great view, a view to die for. Have a look at that. But guess what? We're outside the Municipality Market. That's in the Old Town, and it's all been refurbed, and we're going to have a good look. Stick our nose in here, stick our nose in there. But before we do, let's introduce you to the most beautiful woman in the world, and her name is Ochin Krasiva Lobu.
Hello everybody, how nice to see you again and again.
And again. Stick with us. We're going to follow the rear end of Ochin Krasiva Lobu, and we're going to enter the Municipal Market. Look at this. And that's the rear end of Ochin Krasiva Lobu. Let's go and have a look around. Plenty of shops in here selling all sorts of gifts, handbags, sunglasses, clothes, you name it, it's here. Krasiva, let's go and have a little rummage around. Look at this. It's a nice Dior handbag there, Krasiva Lobu. There's a Chanel handbag. Ooh. There's a Yves Saint Laurent, or YSL as they call it now. Wow. Some nice handbags in here, that's for sure. Luckily they're not actually real, otherwise I'd be running. That's a nice Prada handbag, Krasiva Lobu. I quite like the texture on that.
Yes,
it's very nice, and that one. And it's a nice rose bird colour one there as well. Very nice indeed.
Colour.
Yes. So there's all sorts of gifts. There's handmade jewellery. There's these sort of key rings. I've spotted these up here. Very nice indeed. So if you are coming to Paphos on your holidays, or you live in Paphos, why not pop into the Old Town Market and have a little rummage around, because there's an awful lot of things going on. Let's take you around this shop, from baby clothes, some rather smart little rucksacks for the smallies, some nice scarves, because of course the winter is coming, some nice baseball caps, a nice blue one there, have a look at that. Wow, great shop. So, Krasiva Lobu is over here. Something, what have you found, Krasiva?
The cat saying hello.
This is a nice little cat, and he's saying hello to us. He's saying, Yassas.
Hey,
there we go.
Lovely little.
And some little kiddies' clothes, yeah.
Little girlies' clothes. Dress, a nice dress. Beautiful. And this one's also.
So, come on, let's continue. There's plenty more shops for us to see. Oh, there's a customer of mine over there. Stick with us. Let's get round here. Here we are. So there's plenty of shops in the Municipality Market, and as you walk around there's handbags galore absolutely everywhere, and some rather nice belts as well. Have a look at that. So if you fancy a nice belt, this could be the place for you to come. We're going to have a look. We'll have a good look. We've been invited to have a good look. But there's all sorts in here. Some nice purses. Look at that. Yves Saint Laurent. Very nice. So that one actually matches.
Yeah.
Krasiva Lobu is having a good rummage now.
This one matches.
Very nice. A nice practical sized purse, old fashioned style purse, but with a wallet to the rear of it. To be honest, the quality of these handbags does look very good.
Yes, look at this.
And YSL, Yves Saint Laurent, is a brand that's very much coming back into fashion, I know that. As a young man, I used to always wear Yves Saint Laurent shirts.
You was like a boy.
I was a spoilt young man, shall we say. And then over here, a traditional thing from Cyprus. Some great tablecloths. The grey ones are nice, look at those. There's a bit of a Christmas theme going on. Yeah, very nice indeed.
Yeah. Beautiful, yeah.
So, like I say, if you are coming to Paphos on your holidays, make sure you spare the time to come into the Old Town, because there's a lot of hidden gems up here for sure. More Christmassy theme going on, because of course Christmas is just round the corner. And these kind of products in Cyprus are much cheaper than they are in the UK, and you can get that special gift. So get yourself down to the Old Town of Paphos. This is called the Municipality Market, and it continues and wiggles around in the Old Town, and there's little nooks and crannies where you can go and hunt. Let's go over there, Krasiva Lobu, and have a look.
You said Christmas is around corner. Which corner?
Well, not far away. 3 months away, and it'll be here.
I'll go and find
and you never know, there might be something waiting, lurking for you in a corner. Now, look at this. Silver jewellery by Dispina. There we are. There's a branding up there. So one would assume that most of this is handmade. Wow. Some nice rings in there. Again, one of those special shops where you will come and find something that's truly unique and something that's special for that special person in your life. But these ones with a dark theme. Wow. Very nice indeed. Bit more colour in your life. Again, there's a lot going on in this shop, that's for sure. All handcrafted, all handmade. A lot of them will be one-offs and a lot of them will be unique. So that's special gift. Receiving?
I like the extraordinary items here. There is a ring, but it's very extraordinary. And
show me.
Here also. Look at this.
I think you'll find most of the stuff is unique because it's made by the lady. So she probably makes one sample or 2 or 3 of each one and then moves on and makes something else.
Beautiful.
Yeah, beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. So, a great shop to come to. Again, please spare the time to come into the Old Town, have a wander around for a few hours. There's plenty of places to go and have a drink. There's plenty of places to go and have a breakfast or a lunch or even an evening meal. These shops will be open until lunchtime, so come and spare them the courtesy to have a look round. They spend a lot of time making their product, a lot of time organising their products. So please come and have a look. It doesn't mean that you have to buy anything, but please come and have a look. Because there is a special product here for absolutely everybody. Here again is another unique jewellery shop. And there are some works of art in here, that's for sure. Have a look at that. Wow, beautiful. I think there's quite a few of our subscribers who would like to come and spend a couple of bob in here, that's for sure. Grisivia the Booth.
Oh, dear.
Grisivia the Booth has now spotted the watches. But some of these little gifts are absolutely unique. And there's a great deal of work gone into a lot of these products. Wow. I think I may have found a shop where I might come and spend some money and treat the Otching Grisivia the Booth now and again.
Oh, again and again.
Again and again.
Nice.
It's one of those shops that you can come back to again and again. Everyone here has greeted us with a smile, by the way. Obviously, we understand that they want our money, but there's a nice way to ask for it and not a nice way to ask for it. And I would say that all the people here are very friendly. It's very homely, very clean, and very welcoming indeed. Grisivia the Booth.
You know, and I must say the prices are not very high. For example, for a good, nice silver bracelet, it was the price about 17 euros.
Yeah, I think you're going to find the prices are very reasonable. They're not stupid. They understand that most people, it's going to be throwaway money. So 25, 30 euros, maybe up to 100 euros for something that very extra special. But it's a great place to come. So you don't need to be a millionaire to come and shop in these shops. They're a shop where you can bring your wife or your girlfriend and treat them and buy them something very special. So this is the Miller Silver Shop. So obviously everything in here is silver. As you can see, there is the logos, silver 925. So everything you're going to find in this shop is genuine, authentic silver. So obviously the price will go up that little bit. But it's a shop, again, full of art. And that special gift, perhaps, for the wife, the daughter, the grandchildren, or that special person in your life. Great shops. And there's all sorts of other shops in here as well. There's shops that are selling traditional Cypriot crafts. I quite like these kind of things over here. I think they're very nice indeed. Got an authentic bird cage there, or perhaps it's just for show. Great shop indeed. And a great smile on everyone that's around, that's for sure. Receiving.
There's so many items. I don't know if you will be able to, the eye of yours can occupy all this beauty and so many items that there is in these shops. Well, I'm amazed. I really loved all of them, the shops and the girls. All of the girls are smiling. Very good. Thank you very much, and thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to come and see another of our madnesses. We're loving you to this end.
All that's left for me to say is thanks for watching, and of course if you do like what you see, please hit the like, click subscribe and come back for a little bit more of our madness. As a focal point, a central point, there is a nice ornamental garden where you can sit on the ultra-modern benches and soak up the beauty and the tranquility of the area, and you can watch as your wife or girlfriend moseys on down and of course spends all of your money. Thanks for watching.